What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the new Pixel 4a from Google. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I can't tell you how excited I am to actually take a look at this device. This has been a long awaited device and I'm really excited to go ahead and unbox this. First and foremost, this was a gift from Google, so Team Pixel did send out this device. A huge shout to Team Pixel, you guys are awesome over there. And I'm going to be giving you my unbiased opinions on this device. Obviously, there's going to be many more videos other than unboxing on my channel, so definitely go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell to stay tuned for more Pixel 4a content. Now, as for the specifications, we're going to go ahead and state those now. Starting off with the screen, this is going to be a 5.81 inch 1080 by 2340 screen. This is actually going to be an OLED display, so it's going to look really nice, especially for a $350 phone. We're going to have one 12 megapixel shooter that's capable of shooting up to 4K as far as the video recording goes. We're going to have 60 gigabytes of RAM in this device, as well as a Snapdragon 730 and a 3140 milliamp battery. And if you guys didn't know about the price already, this is only $349. Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have in the side. So first and foremost, we have the phone. We're going to go ahead and put that to the side and save that for last. Just really quick though, I think it's really cool that Google puts these accents on here, especially since mint is one of my favorite colors, or pretty close to my favorite color. Let's go and put that aside though. We have our literature right here, which is most likely our quick start guide, and we also have a SIM ejector tool right there. Next we have our wall charger, and as you guys see inside of here, we actually have a data transferring tool. So if you want to go ahead and transfer your data from one phone to the Google Pixel 4a, that's in there for you. We also have our Type-C to Type-C data cable. Now onto the phone, as you guys see, we have the Google branding at the bottom of the device. We have a fingerprint sensor, which I've heard nothing but good things about. And we have our 12 megapixel camera on the top left, as well as our LED flash. Now the thing about this camera is this is going to be the best camera for $350. Obviously, we're seeing the Pixel 4a undercutting the iPhone SE 2 at $399. So just keep in mind that this is a little bit cheaper and this phone is most likely going to have a better camera. Right side of the phone, we have our mint accented power button, which I think is a really cool touch. As I said before, we have our volume up and down rocker right under that. Bottom of the phone, we have our Type-C port as well as our speakers, and we actually have stereo speakers on this device, so that's going to be utilizing the headset as well as the bottom firing speakers. Now some people have had mixed reactions about the speakers, but let's go ahead and try those out in a bit and see how they actually are. Bottom left of the phone, we have our SIM tray. Top of the phone, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you guys can actually plug headphones in this device. And to the right of that, we have our noise canceling mic. Also, if anyone was confused about the materials used to create this phone, this is a full polycarbonate body. That pretty much just means very condensed plastic, but it does not feel cheap at all. It is light, but does not feel cheap. It feels very solid. Next, we have our headset at the top of the phone, as you guys can see, and that's going to be utilized as a partial speaker. And as you guys see on the top left, we also have an 8 megapixel front-facing camera right there, which I think is really cool. They took that design from the S10e and a few other devices, but we're finally in the device, and I have to say, so far, this device looks really nice. Screen looks really good. This is going to be an OLED display, 1080p display, so you're going to be able to watch movies and videos in full HD. The next thing I really want to talk about is the camera, and we're going to go ahead and open that up right now. Now, I actually did take a few photos, and I think these photos look amazing. I'm going to go ahead and put them up on the screen right now. As you guys can see, beautiful photo right there. We have our next one right here, which I think looks really good as well. And this one was probably the most surprising one to me, but this definitely secured the bag for me as far as the Pixel 4a and its camera capabilities. Boom. This looks like an absolute anime. I thought this was a cartoon, honestly. This just blew me away. This is a $350 phone, guys. That's crazy. That's really crazy. So as far as the camera goes, amazing camera, as you guys can see. We do have a wide angle mode as far as the front facing camera goes, so if you guys do want to utilize the wide angle mode, you can do that on the front facing camera, not on the rear facing camera though. Obviously we have night sight, we have portrait mode as well. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in video and check settings to see if we have 4K settings. So we actually do have 4K, and that is gonna be in 30 frames per second. Now if we go down to full HD, which is 1080p, we can actually put that into 60 frames per second. And you guys have 60 FPS on your $350 phone, and it's probably going to be the best 60 FPS you're going to get on a $350 device. Now next, I want to go ahead and test out the visuals. I want to watch a video, I want to hear the speaker, I want to see how this device actually performs. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so we have my favorite YouTuber right here. We're going to go ahead and check out one of his videos. Now as far as the visuals go, you are going to be able to watch 60 FPS videos up to 1080p on this device. But so far this looks really good, and it sounds really good as well. Obviously the stereo speakers help, and there were a few people that said this wasn't that good of a speaker, and I have to say this is the best I've seen on a $350 device. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Insanely clear speaker on this device. Now obviously we're not rocking less than the best on our Pixel 4a, as it is a Google device, so we do have Android 10.0 on this device. But so far, man, my first impressions of the body, the camera, everything, I feel like whenever I go back to a Pixel device, I get really addicted, and I'm not sure if it's the body or the materials that they use, but I really enjoy Pixel devices, and I have a hard time letting go of them, honestly. But as far as everything else goes, I feel like this device is most likely going to be the best $350 device you're going to get on the market currently. Obviously it has the camera there, it has the screen, has the speakers, has the performance, Snapdragon 730, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and a $350 phone. I mean, really, like when you compare it to other devices that are in the $350 range, the Moto G Power, the Moto G Stylus, this blows those devices out of the water. And even looking at the iPhone SE2, that's a great quality phone, but I feel like I would choose the 4A over that device. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I really like this device so far. I definitely want to do more videos on this device. I feel like I'm addicted to this device now. May become my daily driver, may not. Not 100% sure yet, but I will keep you updated on that information. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing and also hitting that notification bell if you guys want to stay notified every time I upload a new video. Again, this has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.